नाही त्याच्या प्लेटा नाही. They has purchased this for 10 plants. Guys, there is another customer in also to purchase some fertilizers and pots and also some coco pit. So they are this one is a coco pit. She is a snail, my diploma friend. Hotel. Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today is daily 30-day consistent vlogging day 24. So there is customer in our nursery. They have purchased this different variety of plants. This is Parijatak plant, and they also purchased some indoor plants. So this one is a snake plant, and some pots also they have purchased. This one is a coco pit, and some money plant is also there. This is two different variety types of money plant planted in a hanging basket. These all they want to plant in their front yard garden. So they have purchased all these different varieties of plants. So that the customer purchased the different varieties of plants. Some are indoor plants and some are outdoor plants. So they all plants they are going to keep in their front yard garden. Money plant also they purchased. I also gave them coco pit packets, 2 coco pit packets, because they have purchased few of the indoor plants. For planting the indoor plant, the coco pit is necessary, and in coco pit the indoor plants grow very well. That's why I also gave them coco pits, and a vermicompost packet also I gave them. Guys, you can see there is another customer in nursery. They want to purchase the areca palm and this table plant. They are interested in buying this table palm, and now they want to keep this in their backyard garden of their home. So they want to purchase the 4 plants, 2 areca palms and 2 table palms. Hey guys, there is a customer in nursery. She is a snail, my diploma friend. Her mother is also there, and her brothers are also there. They all are from Shirdi, and they came here and purchased these plants. They purchased different varieties of plant. This one is areca palm, gerberas are there, desi variety rose is there, foxtail fern, and Mexican herb, Krishna ficus and hibiscus flower. They also purchased some fertilizers and pots, and also some coco pit. So they are taking these all plants at Shirdi, and they want to plant this all in their terrace garden.
Thank you so much.
Guys, there is another customer in nursery. They have purchased these 8 plants. This one is a black ficus bonsai. I have created this black ficus bonsai. Then 2 areca palm is there, 2 golden morpunki, 1 syngonium is there, and this pendanus is there. So they want to plant this all the plants in their terrace garden. First, they are taking these plants to plant in their terrace garden. So all these 8 plants they have taken. नहीं त्याच्या प्लेटा नहीं. Guys, there is a customer from Sanjeevan Hospital. Yesterday that ma'am purchased various varieties of plant. So they want 20 14-inch pots. So I gave them. That uncle came and took that pots to hospital. They want all these 12-inch pots for all the show plants, and they want to keep that in terrace garden. Hey guys, it's 5:30 PM now, and I am doing my lunch. I bought this 40 rupees bread from Yola. I was feeling too much hungry because I didn't do lunch today. In morning I just do breakfast and came to nursery very quickly, because customer were waiting for me in nursery. That's why I didn't bought my tiffin today. So now I bought this bread from Yola, and now doing my lunch. This is very tasty, my favorite. So there is no customer now, so I'll do my lunch. Hey guys, here we have another customer. They has purchased this 10 plants, 4 areca palms are there. There is a 3R pendanus and 3R Mahatma Dracena plants. This Mahatma Dracena plant they are going to plant in their beside their home. This is the foliage plant, and they are going to keep the 3 feet distance between these plants, each plant. So these 10 plants they have purchased. So this was a short vlog in English language. Let's meet tomorrow in another vlog. Till that time, bye bye.